So this is a 26-mile-long Caltrans public roadway project. So what we're doing is we're redoing the road all the way up from Mariposa to the gates of Yosemite. Our work within Tigert consists of milling and paving. We're doing striping, we're doing metal beam guardrail. We did quite a bit of dig outs already in the beginning of the project. Working in this industry is obviously fun because of all of the cool things that we get to build and the heavy machinery, and it's big, it's fun, we're making production, we're doing it safely. But it's more than just that. It's the relationships that we get to build that are long lasting, and that's what really makes it, is the people that you work with. I come to work every single day here excited about the night and what we're gonna do during the day, and you build that family, and I think that's what it's all about at the end of the day.
So we all come from different areas, some from Visalia, some from Stockton, some from a little further than that. So we all come, we're all away from our families, right? So we're all committed on a daily basis while we're here to get as much of this roadway ground out, paved as we can.
So my overall experience on the project is very good. I love the location. I love working in the mountains, next to the river, in the windy roads. And I love the battle that we have to do every night to try to get our trucks to see how much tons we could grind out. That's probably the biggest struggle. I have an awesome team behind us.
So what makes this project so successful is the crew that we have out here. And so you're combining Sean Rodriguez and Hugh Marchand, which is some of the best Tigert people that we have here. They're high producers, they're ambitious, they're driven. And not only that, they don't have an ego to go with them. So they're here to do a job, they're here to do it safely and to the best of their abilities. And within their crew, you have a bunch of leaders within one another that pick up the slack, and they see something, they see a need, and they fill it. And not to mention, they have such great personalities. They're so fun. They're always laughing, they're joking.
The crews we have out here, the paving and the grinding together, I think is one of the best in the company. There's a lot of experience between both of them, and their attitudes of just staying positive and never quitting and trying to get the very best product we could get, that is the best part of this job.
So the first thing that we do when we get out here is set up the traffic control. And then once we shut the roadway down, we get our 2 grinders and we're milling out the road. Then the sweepers come behind and sweep up all the fine and loose material. Then you have the oil truck that oils the road. Then you have the trucks coming from the plant, dumping the trucks, and then paving right behind. Then we put out all the floppies and the delineators to determine the center line and the edge line of the road throughout the job. And then we throw in the low shoulders and uneven pavement signs. That consists of a night shift.
What makes this project very unique and dynamic is that not only is this a very long project, but it's done at night. And so there's different safety issues associated with that. You're super close to these steep slopes, and so having to deal with rock falls. You're close to the river canyon, so making sure you're watching your footing, being so close when you're dumping those trucks or you're grinding. Each pre-task every day is different because we're moving so quickly throughout this project. We're covering 1.5 miles to 2 miles a night.
I think what makes our crew successful is the team chemistry. We all care for each other, and it starts at the foreman and works down from there. We're all out here looking out for each other.
Working for my crew is pretty awesome. A lot of these guys out here, we're pretty close, like a tight-knit little family. It's been a great experience. Describe our team as a family.
The best.
Awesome!
Rewarding.
Star-studded.
Just overall, the crew dynamic is it's contagious. Everyone is here to do a great job, and you're with a bunch of winners. And when you surround yourself with people like that, you become that.